Welcome back to SGS online class. Today in class 5 EVS, I will explain worksheet 5, plant life. Before starting this worksheet, let us understand the flow of energy in living beings. The sun is the source of all energy on the earth, student. And plant uses the energy from the sunlight to prepare the food. Plants are eaten by animals and human beings. Thus a flow of energy is maintained in the environment. But question arises, how plant prepare their food? Plant have green leaves, and the substance that makes the leaves green is called chlorophyll. And this helps the plant. This chlorophyll helps the plant to prepare their food. The chlorophyll present in the leaves traps the energy. Student, first step, a plant gets water and mineral from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air, and chlorophyll present inside the leaves traps the energy of the sunlight and prepare the food. The process of making food by using water, mineral and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis, and food prepared is glucose and oxygen. So carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll present in the leaf, it prepares food, and food in the form of glucose and oxygen. Now student, let us start worksheet, plant life. Here we have objective questions that we have to answer. Student, plant preparing food in the presence of sunlight. Remember it. At the night time there is a respiration process, but not a photosynthesis process. At the night there is a respiration, but not the process of photosynthesis. When does a green plant make food? All the time at night when sunlight is present in the day. Student, so when sunlight is present, what is the process of photosynthesis? The process of photosynthesis is it uses water, mineral and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight to prepare food. Student, so when sunlight is present, look at the picture below. What are X and Y? Student, what are X and Y? X carbon dioxide, Y oxygen, X oxygen, Y carbon dioxide, X carbon dioxide, Y sugar, X oxygen, Y sugar. So student, we have to match. Picture, this is see here student, moon. Picture of moon means at night it is asking. At night there is a respiration, means leaves absorb the carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. So student, B option is correct. Look at the picture below. What are X and Y? So student, X is oxygen and Y is carbon dioxide. I hope you all have understood. Next question, student. Which of the following are functions of roots? Student, take in food, hold the plant upright, hold the plant firmly to the ground, take in water and mineral salts. A and D, take in food, take in water and mineral. B and D, hold the plant upright, take in water and mineral salt. B and C, hold the plant upright, hold the plant firmly to the ground. C and D, hold the plant firmly to the ground, take in water and mineral salt. So student, C and D. This D option is correct. Clear? Hold the plant firmly to the ground, take in water and mineral salt. What? Hold the plant firmly to the ground, take in water and mineral salt. D option is correct. Next question. Look at the concept map below. Which function is incorrect? Which function is incorrect? What is the function of stem? Carries food, absorbs water and mineral, carries water, supports the plant. The function of stem is it carries food, carries water, supports the plant. This absorbs water and mineral, this function is incorrect. Clear? So C option. This C option is incorrect because stem does not absorb water and mineral. Water and minerals are absorbed by roots. Clear, student? Next worksheet is student flowers and fruits. Clear? A flower is that part of the plant. Flower is that part of a plant which makes seed. Flowers grow into a fruits which contain seed. Student, here we have picture of lily flower and different parts we have to identify. So student, this colorful part of a flower, that is called petals. Petals. We have now this central part, this is known as style. This tube-like structure, it is style. And student, this is ovary. Now this green part on this flower, we see that green part is sepals. Now see student, this tube-like structure, these are filament. And this top part of this filament, this is round portion, this is known as anther. So student, these are the parts of the flower. This main central tube-like structure, this is style. This round C-like structure, tube C-like structure, this is ovary. And this green part, this is sepals, and this tube-like structure, these are filament, and the top you are seeing this round, this is anther, and this colored part, this is known as petal, which we smell. Now students, pick the correct option. A flower has colorful sepals or petals. Student, colorful petals. A flower has colorful petals. Second, butterflies land on flower to drink pollen, nectar, sap. Student, butterfly land on flower to drink nectar. As they drink, dust, seeds, pollen. Student, pollen from stigma, anther, petal stick to their body. Anther stick to their body. As they drink what? As they drink nectar, pollen from anther stick to their body. They then fly to other flowers of the same type for another refreshing drink. Student, as butterfly sits on flower to drink the nectar, pollen from anther stick to their body. They then fly to the other flowers of the same type for another refreshing drink. Now the dust seeds pollen. What? The pollen rub off their body as they sit on other flowers for refreshing drink. The pollen rub off their body onto the other flowers. What? Stigma. As they sit on other flower for nectar, the pollen rub off their body onto the other flower. Stigma. What has happened, student? Pollination. Pollination. The flower will now die. The ovary ovule style. What? The ovary swells and the seeds in it grow into more plant. So student, see, when butterfly land on the flower to drink nectar, pollen from anther stick to their body, and as they sit on other flower for refreshing drink, pollen rub off their body onto the other flower stigma, and this process is pollination. And now the flower will now die and the ovary swells and the seeds in it grow into more plants. So student, worksheet 5 and 7 completed. Thank you.